We are working here with a segment partition. We want to find, first of all, the coordinate of point P in direction from A to B and then from B to A. And let me write here the coordinate A. So let's say this is a A coordinate and this is a B. And now the ratio is 1/3. So I'm dividing here one piece and then I'm going here with three other pieces. And we want to find the point, the coordinates of the point P. Okay, so let me write this way. And first of all, we are working from A in the direction from A to B. We want to calculate this coordinate of the point P. The ratio is A divided by B, which happens to be 1/3. But we have to find here A over A plus B, which is a part of the slope, and this is going to be 1 plus 3, and A divided by A plus B is equal with 1/4. And the equation, or better to say formula, to find the coordinate x here, we can write in this direction from A to B, is A divided by A plus B times x2 minus x1 plus x1. We already calculated this part is 1/4, and here x2 is we're going from this position, this is x2 to negative 2, which is 2 plus 2, and this part represents the slope, which the slope is going to be horizontal shift of the point. So this one is going to be here 2 plus 2 is 4, and time 1 is 4, divided by 4 is 1, but we have to add an x1, which happens to be minus 2, and is a minus 2, but the slope here is 1, just the slope, but the point, the coordinate x of the point P is equal with a minus 1, so here is a minus 1. And now we want to find the y coordinate of the point P, and to find the y coordinate we find in the same way, A divided by A plus B, but instead of the x we are substituting by y. And now this part we already did before, so we don't have to redo it. And y2 is a 4. Here is a minus 3, which is a plus 3. And y1 is a minus 3. Okay, so 4 plus 3 is 7, time 1 is a 7/4. So the coordinate from here to here, so this vertical shift, or this part of the slope, is a 7/4, 7/4. But on the other hand, I have here a minus 3, which happens to be 4 times 3 is 12, is a 7 minus 12 divided by 4, which is a negative 5/4. Negative 5/4 is a minus 1.25. So here we can write a minus 1.25. Minus 1.25. So those are the coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate of the point P. But if I want now this one to show how we can go from, how we can calculate in direction from B to A, we can write, continue in this form. But because if I'm going from B to A, the slope is a negative. So the slope is negative, and we can write minus A divided by A plus B. And here is, what do I have here? Here I have this one x2 minus x1, and is a plus x1. But in this case here I have 3 parts divided by 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have minus 3/4. And x2 now is going to be here 4. We already did this part, is a 4, and but we are taking now this point here. If we are taking this point, is a plus 2. Okay, 4 with the 4 goes, and what remains here is a minus 3 plus 2, which is a minus 1. We already have the point P, so just let me rewrite again this points when I'm finding in different direction from B to A is a minus 1. So they have to be the same. But this x shift, it means it is this slope, this part of the slope is from here to here, I'm sorry, is minus 3. Is 3 units. Minus 3 because it goes in different direction. And then I have to find this y, which happens to be this slope here. And now, but the point is the coordinates of the point P are the same, but it just gives us with different numbers and little bit different equation. If I'm taking now the other part here, for the y coordinate, minus a divided by a plus b, and here is y2 minus y1, and is a plus y2. So I'm taking this point here. And now this one is a minus 3 over 4. And here we already calculated this is a 7. And here is a plus 4. What's happening here? 7 times 3 is minus 21. Minus 21 divided by 4. And here is a 4 plus 4 is a 16. Plus a 16 divided by 4. And 21 minus 21 plus 16 is a minus 5 divided by 4, which is the same like we have here, is a minus 1.25. So we already proved this is the same.